Say hi to Susie.
Huh?
Say hi to Susie.
Say hi, Susie.
No, it could...
Hi.
La Reserva restaurant in the La Reserva, California. Everything is good. Cheesecake is perfect. Mom is having vanilla ice cream. Son is having the same as mine. And he's having, what is this?
Espresso.
Espresso. What is that?
Sambuca.
Saboka?
Sambuca.
Sambuca. Good morning. I'm having a French toast and coffee. Hi guys. Good morning again. I'm still wearing the same thing from yesterday. So I'm going to drop my mother-in-law to dialysis. Hi guys, you can see me today. I'm just waiting for a cab because I called a cab to pick us up here. I'm sorry the noise you heard. There's a gardener in our neighborhood. There's no cab yet. Is it here?
Right turn in 0.5 miles on 7th Street.
775, please. Thank you.
It's okay. You can have it.
Oh, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.
The guy is just the cab driver is like he's new. I think he doesn't know where to go. He used GPS. And here I'm here. And what I'm gonna do is it's garbage day. It's a bottle day today. So I went through the garbage. Hi, Altion. Hi, my little baby boy. How's my little boy? I have to throw some garbage. Because today I'm alone in the house. It's a cleaning day. It's nice to clean when there's no people around. And you can just keep going. I have a lot of things to do today. First, I'm not done editing yet from yesterday's vlog. And I'll try to finish that today after all this. Because now I take the opportunity that I'm alone here. I have to clean, vacuum, I have to go to the basement and dig some cleaner of the carpet. To spray this first for a few minutes before I vacuum. This is for like, you know, the odor. It's Pit Fresh Carpet Odor Eliminator. So this is what I'm using to get rid of whatever, you know, because if you're living in the house and you have cats and dogs, you get used to the smell, you know. Every time you get in the house, you know already that's the smell of your house. But if other people get in your house, it smells not pleasant. So that's why every time you do vacuum, use this. Hey guys, I ate some of my show right now. Oh, my show. I started editing. Sorry guys, every time I vlog, we're all like traveling or something. I don't know. I don't have nothing to do right now. All I have to do is finish what I'm doing. Thank goodness I'm finally done with my yesterday's vlog. So now it's time for me to eat because I'm hungry. I don't eat rice since yesterday. So now I'm eating rice and KFC from the other day. So lunch. And while watching lunch, I'm going to watch a Filipino show like The Legal Wife. Grabe guys. I'm watching Legal Wife. Wow. It's a very, very good show. I love it. And my video anyway, it's uploading right now. Hi guys. Good afternoon. It's already 4:21 p.m. Tomorrow I'm trying. Maybe tomorrow I have to go to to salon to color my hair black, as in black, and to cut the end of my hair. That's too many split ends. Hi guys, good evening. I mean, it's not dark yet, but it's already, I think, 6 o'clock now, 6 something o'clock, and I'm outside. We just finished having dinner, and I'm here. It's nice to listen all the birds singing. Is that really a singing? Are they really singing? I don't know. Here, standing. I don't know, guys. I have black bugs, eye bags. It's pretty boring today. The wind is very nice, but it's nice to see her outside. But I'm alone. Hi guys. Good evening. I'm ready to go to bed. And before I go to bed, I do have a bath. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow, guys. And I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye. You guys take care. Bye-bye.